Hello, 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 hello. Thank you all. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, anywhere you are. Good morning, good afternoon. God bless you today as you listen to me. So, today I bring something that is disturbing me. I bring a topic that we need to talk about. I bring something that is not good. Like Nigerians, I don't know why, which kind of problem is this. There's something I want to tell you guys. In in our Igbo land, there's some things they used to do where I don't like. I don't like that thing. I don't like the way they behave for that, which is very, very wrong. Can you imagine? There's some they are selling madness inside markets. They are selling when you want your leg to be to to be rotty. They are selling it. When you need different things they are selling inside markets. Do you understand me? I don't know why governors, president, they will stay, they will not put mind, put talk about this thing I'm saying. Everybody will be looking at me and say, what she's talking about. What I'm talking about, they are selling madness in the market, selling a lot of things in the market in a villages in Igbo land. Can you imagine people? Can you imagine people? Can you imagine people selling it? They are selling a lot of things. If you want someone to sick, they are selling it. I don't understand. The time they will use it to do a good thing, they will be using it to be selling evil things inside markets. Selling it. People are used to go and buy, be doing people bad. When you go many markets now in the village, they are selling it, they will shade it in, you will pick the one you want. They will ask you which one do you want. Do you want to do that person madness? Do you want to do that person making leg the rotty? They will ask you which one do you want to buy. Have you heard this kind of thing before? I don't know this kind of thing. This time is end time. They are selling it in the market. It's why you see a lot of people will go home. They will see their belly. Some of them, their belly will be big like this. They will be sick. Some of them, their leg will rotty because they are selling all those things. People used to go and buy it in the market. They will use it to do people evil. And our governors, our presidents, they are there. They are not doing nothing about it. They're supposed to see anybody that is selling that thing. When they catch him, they're supposed to give a life imprisonment. So the people will know that the things they do is not good. But they will still leave them to be selling all those kind of things inside markets. I was talking with one of my family. So he's complaining about his friend that travel from abroad. This is friend though. The leg is getting rotten. The leg of this guy is very rotten. It's rotten because they put it for him. This guy match this, that. So the leg is getting swollen, and it be getting rotten inside. If you see this leg, oh my God! If you see this leg, so they now be telling me, and I find out they are selling all these things inside market, and people used to go there and buy it, and they are selling it cheap, cheap. Do you understand this kind of thing I'm saying? I don't know you people understand what I'm saying. They are selling evil thing inside markets, and people are used to go there and buy. I don't understand these people. Oh. I don't understand people. Oh. All those our governors, president, governors wey dey for Igbo land, they have to put mouth of all those things. How can they be selling a sickness inside market for people? They say if you want to buy madness, they are selling it there. If you want to buy for Iture, where they swallow people leg, they are selling it there. Which kind of evil country is this? Which kind of evil plan is this? I'm not just happy. I will not lie for you. I'm not just happy. Our governors, Igbo land, Anambra, Imo State, all these Enugu. You people have to put mouth on all these things. How can be selling all those kind of things inside market, and you people are watching them? They are selling it. When they suppose where they are selling those kind of things, you go inside market, they are selling all those. Arrest all of them, even though they are hiding. Arrest them. People know the people that are selling it. They are selling it. People are dying. A lot of people. They are killing a lot of innocent people. How can someone travel from abroad? They go and put it in door, put it for the person. See the guy leg is very big and rotten. He say he's sick almost 2 years. Which kind of thing is this? And they are telling me they are selling it inside the market and the way they are selling cola. I say, what is this? I don't understand why they are selling evil thing, something that will make people to be. They are selling it inside market, and you as a governor, you are still there, and they are selling all this, and you are telling me you don't understand they are selling all these things inside market. And are you telling me that you don't know they are selling all those kind of things inside markets? Because they never do for your relation, because they never do for your family. Is why you keep it quiet. You don't want to ban that thing. When you're supposed to ban it, people should stop doing all those kind of things. Selling it, use it to affect innocent people, killing innocent people because of out of jealousy. And you people, governors, you are there, you sit down and you relax because you never touch your sister or your family or your son. Is why you relax. All those things is not good. Why would be Africa like bad thing pass more than any other thing? Why people use their own to do good things? You don't look people, you don't look white people. They use it to face a good things. But our own only evil, 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 evil. I don't know where he's taking all this kind of character. Nigerians, evil mothers, evil fathers that stay in village. I'm telling our government, our governors in like Igbo land, all the governors in the east, you have to put eyes of this thing I'm saying about. If you go across this my video, share it so people will know what I'm saying about. How that can they be selling all this madness and they to make people leg big? Why they will be selling it inside market? People are buying it. People are buying it. Why you will allow them to be selling all those kind of things? Are you telling me if you bring a war, you bring somebody to be finding out anybody that's selling all those things, they arrest them, let them not in jail? And you're telling me you cannot do that? They are selling to do evil inside market. People are buying. And you people think you don't know about it. They are selling it inside market. People are buying. You don't know about it as a governor. You never hear all those kind of things before. I was so disappointed. I was so angry when I heard it. When you see somebody's leg, oh my God, the person's leg is rotting and rotting and rotting, and the person is feeling pains. Which kind of things is this? They said they are selling madness. They are selling utule. A person leg to be what? They are selling all this conversion, all of different ones. Say they are selling it inside markets. Can you imagine, my people? Can you imagine? Not a person will not hear. Not a person will not hear in this African people. Sometimes I wonder how this kind of country is this Nigeria and all these my Igbo people, Africa. Which kind of character is this? Where they will see us is where they are doing evil things. Why can't us do good things in life? And they will say this one, look at this person, is Africa, is good thing. Only bad. How can you be selling those kind of things inside market and people are buying to do evil? Our governors, they don't want to put what on it this thing. And you people allow them to be selling all those things inside markets. And people are buying it. I don't know. I was so angry when I heard it. I was so touched. Please, if you go across this video, please let our governors share this video. So let our governors, all of them, president for governors, let them hear this thing I'm talking about. This thing is touching me. They are selling it in that money. It's not good at all. It's touching me. I don't like. It's not good. at these people leg. When you see somebody leg is rotty, very, very rotty and very, very bad. I'm telling you guys. Please share this video. Share this video so people will see what I'm talking about. They are selling all these things, evil people. They are selling it inside market. People are buying to be using to do people evil. So we need, when we see somebody that is selling all these kind of things inside market, we need to hold him so the police will arrest him and catch him. Is what we need. They will face the law. Okay? God bless you as you listen to me. God bless you. God bless you guys.